I'm DannaClau DannaClau Fitness. So I'm super excited to show you guys how to do a Valdez. And if you guys don't know what it is, it looks like this. Keep watching this video to learn how to do it, okay? Let's get started. So first we're gonna just separate our legs, and then we're gonna twist to our right side and we're gonna go down. We're gonna hold this for 20 seconds starting right now. Now we're gonna switch sides and we're gonna hold it for 20 seconds starting right now. Next, we're gonna go to the middle and hold it for 20 seconds starting right now. Next, we're gonna do our right lunge and hold this for 20 seconds starting right now. Make sure your back leg is up. Now we're gonna bend our back leg and straighten our front. We're gonna hold this for 20 seconds, starting right now. Now we're gonna do our left lunge. And we're gonna hold this for 20 seconds, starting right now. Now we're gonna bend our back leg and straighten our front leg. And we're gonna put our elbows down to get a better stretch. We're gonna hold this for 20 seconds, starting right now. Now we're gonna do a middle split. And we're gonna put our nose to our right knee. We're gonna hold this for 30 seconds, starting right now. Now we're gonna do the same thing, but now on the other side. We're gonna hold this for 30 seconds, starting right now. Now we're gonna go to the middle and we're gonna separate our arms like this and go down. We're gonna hold this for 30 seconds, starting right now. Now we're gonna get in a pike position and go down. We're gonna hold this for 30 seconds, starting right now. Now we're gonna bend our left leg and we're gonna do this 5 times, okay? So let's start. Now we're gonna switch our legs and do the same thing, starting right now. Now we're gonna get it on the split again, and we're gonna pick up both legs like this 5 times, okay? Starting right now. Now we're gonna just get up and do a back bend. We're gonna hold this for 30 seconds, starting right now. Now I'm going to explain how to do a Valdez. So first, we are not going to start up here. We're going to start down here. And if you're left or righty, then you could, if you're righty, then you put your right leg straight. And if you're a lefty, you could put your left leg straight. But how I'm a righty, I'm going to put my right leg straight. So now we're going to put our right arm like this. Okay, like this, you go down. And don't do it like this, because then you're gonna twist your wrist, okay? And then our left arm, we're gonna do it like this or like this. However way you feel comfortable. I feel comfortable. But I feel comfortable doing it like this. Okay? So now we need to go up. Okay? And when you go up like this, you just need to put this up, okay? And please don't do this, because that's like a back bend kickover, okay? So just this leg is the one that's gonna be whipping over, and this one's the one that's gonna be pushing it, okay? Like this. Okay, so it's pushing, and then this one's gonna go up. Okay, I'm gonna show you one more time. Okay, and then when you go, make sure that you don't like put your arms like two together, okay? Like put it a little bit separate. Not like this, but like this. Because if not, you're gonna like fall down, okay? So, I'm gonna give you one last time to demonstrate it, okay? Okay. Thank you for watching, and don't miss any videos that I did on my channel, DannaClau Vlogs, okay? Bye! Don't miss any videos.